Hello, good morning students. In the last video we discussed what is cost push inflation. Cost push inflation is a supply shock inflation which caused due to increase in cost of production. And we have also discussed there are three reasons of increasing cost of production or cost push inflation. Increase in wages, increase in profit margin, and imposition of heavy indirect taxes or commodity taxes. In this video, we discuss how cost push inflation can be explained with the help of a diagram. कैसे हम उसको डायग्राम में एक्सप्लेन कर सकते हैं? So as you observe that x-axis represents a real output, y-axis represents price level. SS curve is indicating aggregate supply, D curve or aggregate indicating demand, aggregate demand. F is the point of equilibrium or intersection point between aggregate demand and aggregate supply. So here we draw a line. So original price level is P, OP, and output is, we can draw dotted line से हम लोग OYZ. I'm repeating. X axis represents real output, Y axis represents price level, D indicating aggregate demand, SS indicating aggregate supply, F point is point of intersection, equilibrium point between aggregate demand and aggregate supply. So original price level is P. Here you can observe that F point is also suggesting that economy has reached at full employment level. Why? Because after this point the supply curve becomes vertical straight line. It means that economy has reached at full employment level. So OY0 is the output at the level of full employment, real output at the level of full employment. अब inflation कैसे होगा? We will discuss. Due to increase in wages or cost of production, any reason, wages increase, cost of production increase, price level arises. We have already discussed in the last video. अगर प्राइस बढ़ेगा, प्राइस लेवल इंक्रीज, सो वी ऑल नो डिमांड फॉल, एंड डिमांड फॉल होने से क्या होगा? सप्लाई विल ऑल्सो फॉल. सप्लाई फॉल होगा तो सप्लाई क्या होगा? सप्लाई विल शिफ्ट टू लेफ्ट. सो वी हैव टू ड्रॉ अ न्यू सप्लाई कर्व S1 parallel to this line S1. So output, due to fall in demand, output falls from OY0 to OY1, which is indicated with the help of new supply curve, और उसके बाद वो ओरिजिनल सप्लाई कर्व में मर्ज हो जाता है. न्यू इक्विलिब्रियम पॉइंट इज A and price level is P1. Okay, this is S1 as supply curve. Wages increase without increase in labor productivity, cost of production increase, price level rises. Due to, और हमको मालूम है there is an inverse relationship between price and demand. Due to increase in price level, aggregate demand fall. अगर डिमांड ही फॉल होगा तो आउटपुट फॉल होगा, सप्लाई विल ऑल्सो फॉल. सो आउटपुट फॉल फ्रॉम OY0 to OY1. Supply curve shift from S to S2 S1 S1. So new price level is P1. Okay, and new equilibrium point is A. Again, that is demand for higher wages. We have discussed in the last lecture, because not only लेबरर्स के लिए सिर्फ मनी वेजेस इंक्रीज होते हैं, रियल वेजेस इंक्रीज नहीं होते. क्यों? बिकॉज प्राइस लेवल राइजेस फास्टर and in more proportion to wages. So again there is a demand for higher wages. Demand for higher wages, wages increase, again cost of production increase, again price level increase. The price rises, demand falls, supply. So we have to draw new curve. S to S. Output falls from OP, OY1 to OY2, and price level rises from OP1 to OP2. This is cost push inflation situation. Okay. Due to rise in price, output, real output has fallen from OY0 to OY2. At the same time, price level has increased from OP to OP2. And supply curve has shifted from SS to S to S. Okay. The new equilibrium point or intersection point is B. So this is cost push inflation. Getting my point? We are repeating. X-axis represents real output. Y-axis represents price level. This is SS, aggregate supply curve. D, aggregate demand curve. F is original equilibrium point or point of full employment. Original price level is OP. Due to rise in price level, demand fall, consequently supply fall. So supply shift from SS to S1 S1. New equilibrium point is A. Price level rises from OP to OP1. Same time, supply curve shift from S1 to S2. Price level also increase from OP1 to OP2, and new equilibrium point is B. So this is the situation of cost push inflation. Here very important points should be noted. When we analyze this diagram carefully, you will come to know there are two problems of the economy. One, output fall from OY0 to OY2. So output fall means employment fall, और employment fall means कौन सा problem होगा? Unemployment. And P, price level rises from P to P2. Price rise मतलब कौन सा problem है? Inflation. Okay, there are two problems. If government is committed to maintain full employment, अगर investment हो करके, so this diagram can be more complicated. वो solution भी हम लोग दिखा सकते हैं. But as you are the students of BCom, you are not doing master degree in economics, so आपके लिए इतना काफी है. Getting my point? So this is how cost push inflation can be explained with the help of diagram. आज के लिए इतना रहेगा. Thank you very much.